Hello guys, good morning. Ito po si Uzi, Uzi, and now my vlog for today is all about back again to the sneaker world. I just want to give you highlights of what will happen today. Today I'm going out of the house and I'm gonna collect my Yeezy Cinder. The stores did was to create the online purchasing, the best procedure to keep everyone safe, and also as well as to keep the surprise. You have surprise, yes, my baby has surprise. Hello, hello. She's gonna be a vlogger soon. Your face, hello, say hi to everyone. Hello, this is my baby.
It's my daddy.
Daddy and baby.
It's my daddy.
Oh, so yeah, I'm sorry I was cut off by my daughter. You know how it is. So right now I'm heading to Concepts to collect the Yeezy Cinder that I managed to purchase online. It was a very hard. It was a very tight competition to online, even if it's online, which I thought was gonna be easy because Yeezy Cinder was supposed to be a GR. And so I was expecting to be easy, but yun na, hindi po siya madali. See you guys, and now I'm heading to Concepts. At Concepts, I'm excited for you. I'll be going there in a while. Okay, just to show you guys, even though we're really totally safe here, we still don't have any news about having a lockdown. I have this, and I have my gloves right there, and I'm going out with this as well, just to you know, like doing my thing to protect myself. Okay guys, so welcome back. Ito si Uzi at so nandito po tayo ngayon sa Concepts because I won. I mean, like, I managed to cop dun sa online release nila. If you have to wear mask, I'm wearing shades because, you know, just to protect the eyes as well. Hindi ako magaling sa mask talaga. I mean hindi ako komportable na may mask, to be honest, no? But then, I think this is what we have to do right now. Okay. Pasok tayo. Yan. Concepts. Kaya dito na po, guys. Samahan niyo ako. Lagtayin natin yung pair ko. Okay, guys. Yeah, welcome back. I'm yun na ako sa Concepts. And yun nga, managed to luckily to get the pair. So yun. So shout out to all of the organizers of this one, because being, you know, yung online talaga malaking tulong yun, especially at this time. So ayan, kolektahin na natin. Salamat. So yeah, Concepts, guys. Visit guys Concepts. I will show you a random of videos na meron sila dito. At isasabay ko na rin ito sa vlog natin today. Oh, Carhartt to. Oh, diba? Carhartt hundreds. The hundreds. Yan! Alright guys, ito na po ang Cinder. I will do another unboxing vlog for this. Pero the moment, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang napakagandang concept store. They cater consortiums limited releases, mga ganon. So dito na makakita guys ng mga good stuff. I think ngayon ako nakita, meron sila lang yung merong ano eh, merong hundreds, Stussy, yung ano yung mga sinusuot natin mga streetwear. Sir, maraming salamat po ulit.
Dito
Visit
mo na lang
Concept.
unbox yan.
Ay, unbox na natin dito. Why not? Oo nga, no? Oh, pwede, pinayagan tayo mag-unbox dito. So, sige, upo tayo dito. Okay guys, my name is Susan. This is Uzi and nandito ako sa isang special unboxing. As you can see, iba na yung background ko, di ba? Ayan. So, I managed to cop online the newly released Yeezy Cinder. Medyo mahirap yung pag-cop natin, guys. I thought it's gonna be easy nung sinabi nilang online, tapos sinabi nilang GR release siya. Pero nag-try ako a couple of times and sa Concepts lang ako nakakuha, to be honest. And of course, isa lang naman pero kailangan natin. So hindi na tayo nag-attempt to see sa iba. Alright, so let's do this. Ang ganda nung ano nila, packaging nila guys. Ganda nung bag, no? So shout out to Concepts DXB for releasing Cinder. And of course, ang pinakamaganda doon, safe yung ginawa nila, online release. Because normally, pag nag-first come first serve ka, dadagsain yung mga tao. And of course, at the moment, it's not really safe for everyone na magkumpulan, di ba? So, social distancing, importante. As you can see, walang tao dito, ako lang. So, pinayagan nila ako mag-unbox dito. So, let's do this. Alright. Hindi ko na po i-detail kung ano itsura ng 350 bucks. Same as always, ganito pa rin po siya. Let's open. Woo! Ganda. Alright. Basta natin. Ba-bam! Natin dito guys. This is the much awaited Yeezy Cinder. Turn this one around just for you to have a closer look. Okay, and this is the other side. Okay, ito yung toe box. This one is gonna be my go-to sneaker again. What's good about this, it's, as you can see, it's not actually black. It's black but it's kind of a different, may combination siya ng black and brown. Kita nyo? Because this part is the actual black. Tapos meron siyang brown side here na ang weird ng kulay eh. Hindi ko siya matimpla actually. Pag tiningnan mo siya, mukha siyang black. Right? Pero pag nasisinagan siya, nagiging brown yung kulay. Tingnan mo. Diba? So the difference between the color here and the color here. So yun ang maganda. Okay, let's go to the sole. And ngayon meron na silang gum sole color. Yan. I think this is the only one. Oh, this is the second one. The first one is Earth ang gumawa nito. Itong yellow part sa sole. Sa Earth mo lang siya makikita, and this is the second one that has this. Right. And I think there's another one. I'll have a look into it. Yan. Siya, generic yung kulay, madaling bagayan. Yun ang kagandahan ng Cinder. Mas gusto ko siya kaysa sa triple black kasi dahil doon nga sa gum sole, nagkaroon siya ng dynamics and maganda siya sa akin eh. Hindi siya yung tipong nakakasawa tingnan. Diba? Kasi may a little bit of brown detail sa sole. Nothing much. At least so happy na nakakuha ako nito for this release. Hindi ako na L. I once managed to buy it at retail. Importante. Normally we buy, di ba, sa previous vlogs ko, madalas pag hindi ako nakakuha, I have to buy it on resale, and thankfully nag-release yung Concepts online and I was managed to buy one. So guys, maraming salamat po. Ayun, so isang short unboxing for us. Maraming salamat po ulit sa Concepts. Shout out to the staff here, and also to my subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, and I'm out.